Hello and welcome to the Accuro EMR Optimization for Cancer Screening training. This video will demonstrate how to set up an individual task for cervical cancer screening, and it's part of training module number 3. The objective of this training video is to help Accuro EMR users learn the basic steps for individually setting up a cervical cancer screening task. Before we begin with the demonstration, I would just like to mention that the task information is established using Cancer Care Ontario's screening guidelines and recommendations. Additional information on tasks is available in Section 2 of the Accuro EMR Optimization Guide. So let's start. From anywhere in the patient chart, press F7 to access Patient Tasks window, and then click New Task. In the New Task window, click the down arrow on the task drop-down list. From here, you can do one of two things. You can choose a pre-existing task name from the drop-down list, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and choose Manage to add a new task name to the list. We will do the latter and enter in a new task name. In the Edit Task Reason window, click the Add button. Enter the name of your task and click OK. Then click Close. Your new task name has been added to the task drop-down list. It's important to note that you should not duplicate a task that already exists. It's a good idea to have one task per screening category, like we have here. Select your task name and enter in any other important information. This is where you would want to tailor the task to the specific individual. Do they have an increased risk? You could add this information in for future reference. Once you're done adding in your task information, click OK. Your task has now been added to the patient's Patient Task module. By adding individual tasks, anyone in the practice can access the patient's Patient Task module to see when they will be due for screening again. And that brings us to the end of this demonstration. The next training video in Module 4 is on managing tasks. The last video in this module will show you a demonstration of how to run a task report. For in-depth details on using tasks, please refer to Section 3 of the Accuro EMR Optimization Guide.